I'm going to show you now how to use the featured page ID feature, and basically what the featured page ID function does is it allows you to feature a chosen page right at the top of the blog on your home page. So if we just go into the HeatMap options, you'll see where that's set, and the featured page ID is just set right here, and this is where we're going to put our featured page ID. So if we just have a look at the front page of this blog, you'll see it's just a collection of posts at the moment, but what I want to do is actually feature a page just here where the first post is. So I'm going to nip into the pages section. I'm going to find the page that I want to feature, and you can see I've got a page here. It's called Learn How to Become an Artist, and what I need to know is the featured page ID, and I can see that down in the bottom left here. And I can see that number is 772. So I'm going to enter that number into the HeatMap options. So I'll put 772 here and then press save. And then if I have a look at the front page of our blog, we will see here is my featured page.